You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this very interesting, very curious word and clarify the pronunciation. If you want to learn more vocabulary, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you you'll want to learn to, or listen to, learn from. Mosaicist is the pronunciation, a designer or a maker of mosaics. Mosaicist. Mosaicist, alright? Stress on that Z syllable. So you have a Z and then an a schwa sound. Mosaicist. How to pronounce in English. Pronunciation. How to say mosaicist. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.